You must have come across this type of a conversion where you are asked to convert from one unit to another unit. Now you are all very good with conversion, that is basic conversion, that is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and so on. But when you find this type of a question, you get confused thinking whether I should be multiplying it or whether I should be dividing it, right? Most of the time we end up at the place where we are supposed to do the division, you end up multiplying, right? So today in this video you are going to learn a basic trick, a simple trick to remember when to do the multiplication and when to do the division. So stay tuned. So before starting this trick, I would like to make it clear to you that to understand this trick you need to know the basic conversion, that is as per the length, the basic conversion as per the weight, and the basic conversion as per the capacity. I have already made a video on this, which I have the link of which I will be sharing in this video itself. You will find the link on the right hand top side corner, so go and watch it first. If your conversions are very good, then you will be able to understand this tip properly. Okay, so first I will take a small example. Okay, let's take 5 meter. I want to see how many centimeter is it. So here we all know that the basic conversion, that is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? We know that. Now you have to go to the question first. You have to see how it is, how the conversion is from meter to centimeter. Means from meter I am converting it to the centimeter. Means what? Once I am I have understood that it is going from left to right, from meter to centimeter only, then I will go and check the number. So what I have to see is this one is getting converted into 100. This one is getting converted into 100. Now you tell me, how will it be possible for 1 to get converted into 100? You all are aware that in this conversion there will be only two basic operation. One is of multiplication, another is of division. Now when it will be possible for 1 to get converted into 100? Only when I am multiplying. Only when I am multiplying, that time only it will be 1 will be getting converted into 100, right? Otherwise it will not be possible for you to do the conversion, right? So here when you have means here you will check 1 is getting converted into 100. How? By doing the multiplication. So here also you will do the operation of multiplication. Means what? You will multiply 5 by 100, which will give you answer as 500. Right? Understood? Now you must be wondering, this is so easy. Well, yes, it is easy if you know the basic logic, basic trick behind all this thing. Now I'll take a different example. Let's take, I am taking 700 centimeter. I have to find how many meter it is. Now first step is to check the conversion, the units. Centimeter to meter it is coming. From centimeter it is jumping to meter. So go and check the basic conversion. From centimeter I am jumping to meter. Done? Understood? You drew this line. You can do one thing. Whenever the question comes in your exam with regards to conversion, what you can do is you can do this in the rough work area and keep it, so that you don't have to think much. You can just look over here and you can solve it. Okay, so from centimeter to meter it is going. Now go to the number. Means 100 is getting converted into 1. When will it be possible for 100 to get converted into 1? First, there are only two operations. First is the multiplication, another is the division. So which operation will help you in converting 100 to 1? It is the operation of division, right? So here 100 is getting converted into 1 means I have to do the division. So same rule I will apply over here. 700 I will divide by 100. 700 I will divide by 100. And when I will do that, I will get answer as 7 meter. So this is the small trick to remember and to avoid the confusion when the question comes like this. So the few things that you have to remember to understand this trick will be, first and the foremost is to understand and remember all the basic conversion. The next will be to check the question and to decide whether the conversion is from left to right or right to left. Okay. Now then it will be to check the numbers. To avoid the confusion, check the numbers. Whether the number is getting converted from small number to a big number or a big number to a small number. If it is the conversion is from small number to the big number, then you will make use of a operation which is multiplication. And if it is getting converted, that is a big number is getting converted into a small number, then you will make use of a operation that is division. So I hope you have understood this trick. If yes, if it was helpful for you and you believe that it will be helpful for your friends also, then kindly share this video with your friends and families so that someone will have definitely benefit from it. Okay, so stay tuned for the such videos where I will be sharing with you various tricks to make your maths base very simple and easy.